Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about the Holika Holika Heart Crush Glow Tint Air in the Tea Brewing colours. I picked these up because they are in heart-shaped containers and I just thought that they looked really cute. I also quite liked the colours. These are the Tea Brewing colours, which is just like one subcategory of this tint itself. So obviously this comes in more colours just than this four, but I think that these were the more new ones. And I really liked the colours of this collection. I thought that they looked really nice, and I also liked how glossy and beautiful and plump the lips looked on the models. So that was my reason for purchasing these, as if I needed a reason. So I'll be doing a product description, packaging, swatches, and then final thoughts. So if you'd like to skip to any of those points, please do so now. So for this one, the product description says, light and clear air glow tint like air. The Air Light Glow capsule explodes smoothly to create transparent gloss that volumizes lips lightly. Long-lasting and lively colored lips, pure color pigments are applied to keep the lips lively for a long time. Moist holding system moisturize lips all day freshly without sticky feeling. So the packaging of these products is obviously adorable. They do have heart-shaped containers, and I just really like the way that they look kind of like top down, like you can see with the hearts, and I just think that it is so cute. The packaging on the outside is different colored as well, so that you can tell immediately which one you're going to pick up. And I also really appreciate that they have the English name of the shade down the side of the tube. I think that it is really nice and really helpful for me. The tint has like an odd doe foot applicator. It's not really like a doe foot, it's kind of just like a cylindrical tube with a slight tapered point. It is easy to create a gradient with this kind of applicator, but it's not easy to do like your cupid's bow, and so for that I don't particularly love the applicator, but that's okay. There are 4 colours in the collection, and these are the Tea Brewing colours. I'm not really sure what kind of thing they're supposed to be. I guess they're just supposed to be like tea colours. But I really like all 4 of the colours, which is really great. Number 12 is called Hong, and this one is like a red colour. So first I'm doing a gradient, in which with these ones I can just kind of lightly run it over the inside of my lips and then kind of close my lips. There's no blending required with the finger, which I love. I think that these look really beautiful as gradients. I feel like the formula really lends itself to this technique, and it just looks really stunning. You can put like a gloss over the top if you want the rest of your lip to be a little bit more glossy as well. Otherwise, I think that it kind of just looks nice having a little bit of gloss on the inside. It looks kind of more like that just bitten like look that gradients generally look like. And then I'm going to do a full lip cover as well. And here's the full lip cover, and this is why I say that it's like the red-ish. Like it's not super red. It's kind of more like a see-through berry kind of thing. I really like the formula of these products though. They give you the glossy look without feeling sticky. They feel smooth, moisturizing for the lips, and they don't make any of the lip texture that I have or the lip wrinkles that I also have become more apparent than they already are. I feel like they do kind of hide a bit of the lip texture, but when they dry down the lip texture is going to come back, so that's just goes without saying basically. But I feel the formula is really comfortable and great to wear all day, and you can reapply it easily. So this is number 12, Hong. Number 13 is called May, and this is the pink of the collection. This one I'm 50-50 on as a gradient, which is what you can see here. My lips are slightly pink from the other lipsticks, but that's okay. I feel like this one is like a similar tone to my own lips, so I feel like it doesn't gradient as well as some of the other colours do. However, I think it is still quite a nice colour. I think that it works better if I put this over as a full cover and then use one of the other dark colours as a gradient, personally. But here it is as a full lip cover. I think that it looks really pretty. I feel like it's kind of like a pinkish berry for me, and I do get a lot of wear out of this one, of course, because it is the pink of the collection. So this is number 13, May. Number 14 is called Sing, and this one is an orange colour. So here is Sing as a gradient. You cannot see very much, it is very light, but I do quite like this one as a gradient because I feel like it blends in really nicely with my natural lip colour. And then here it is as a full lip cover. I think that this one again looks really beautiful. I think that with especially like the shirt that I'm wearing today, which has got like more like orange sort of flowers in it, I think that it suits really well, and I do get quite a lot of wear out of this one. It's a really nice colour. So this is number 14, Sing. Number 15 is called Faye, and this is like the burnt orange of the collection. This is how Faye looks as a gradient. I have put a bit of the foundation underneath so that my lips are a little bit less pink because obviously they have been stained a little bit. I don't personally love this one as a gradient on myself, but like the other formulas, I do feel like it looks quite nice as a gradient. And here's the full lip cover, and I actually like the full lip cover better than I like the gradient, which doesn't happen very often. Even though this one is like the burnt sort of orange of the collection, I feel like because it has like some sort of see-through quality to it, it's not too orange. I don't particularly like oranges on myself personally, so I feel like I can see a little bit of the pink of my lips coming through that color, and I think that it just looks really nice. So I'm happy to say that this is a color orange that I would quite happily wear. So this is number 15, Faye. So for these ones, I actually really like them. I have been looking for really nice glossy lip products that make my lips look glossy, make them look full and beautiful and but without being sticky, and these are great. They do remind me very much of these tints from Romand. I can't remember what these are called. I think that these are the Glassing water tints. Really similar sort of feel on the lips. They don't feel sticky, they don't feel thick, they feel light and like almost like a silicone lip gloss, which I really like for my lips. In terms of volumizing the lips lightly, I guess that they do that somewhat. I am wearing one of them at the moment. It's been on for about an hour, so a little bit of the gloss has gone, so like that actual shine that you see in the pictures doesn't last forever. Of course, it is a lip gloss, that is just what happens to them, but they do still look really nice and moisturized. Like there is some kind of shine, they do look nice, so that is great. Long lasting and lively colors. They are kind of long lasting. It's you kind of have to set your expectations for like a gloss though, you know, like it's not a long lasting product generally. So when I'm looking at a gloss and a gloss color, if it can last more than 4 hours, I'm like, great, it's done a good job. And this one does. I do find that when it dries down, especially if I've been eating or drinking, the pigment does kind of fall into the lines of my lips a little bit. It's not awful, but it is there. So if you have heavily lined lips, these may be products that you want to stay away from because it may sink into the lines after a few hours. It's pretty easy to fix. If you just kind of like rub your lips together and reapply it, you're good to go. So it's nothing permanent and it's nothing terrible, but it is there if you're someone who cannot like reapply or keep up the uptake of this kind of product. But it does feel moisturizing to the lips, which I really like, and it does leave them feeling moisturized for longer than the tint is actually applied for. I do find that after I've been wearing these for a day, my lips feel really nice the next day, and that's really great. It doesn't feel that way for a lot of other products. So I think these are products that I'm definitely going to be keeping. I think that all 4 of the colors are really beautiful, and I would definitely be looking into getting some of the other colors in the range as well, depending on what they look like. I actually haven't looked at them yet. So I would definitely recommend these tints to anybody who's looking for a really light lip gloss kind of feeling, but it's not thick, sticky, and it doesn't get caught in your hair and all that sort of stuff, but still gives you that really beautiful glow and in really cute colors. So thank you guys so much for watching this review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!